Welcome to JETF, the most innovative technology in the commercial market. Important note: installation of all products must adhere to the manufacturer's guidelines, as well as comply with PCA ASA/NZS 3500 standards and any other relevant regulatory provision. If you are unsure, refer to the installation instructions included in the QR code. Water quality. Flush your lines before installing any JETF products, and if an inline strainer is supplied, must be installed to ensure product is free of debris. Please follow the steps to make your installation quick and simple. Carefully inspect the contents of the box to ensure that all components, parts are included. Attach the adapter to the tailpiece. An O-ring is pre-fitted to the tailpiece. For additional sealing, thread tape may be applied if necessary. Install the tailpiece from underneath with the back nut and washer in place. Insert the tailpiece through the tap hole. Position the flange and screw on the adapter, ensuring the grub screw faces the rear. Remove the protective cover from the base. Ensure the riser aligns with the grub screw at the back. Position the riser and tighten the grub screw. Measure, mark, remove the spray gun bracket and cut the support bar to the desired length for its location, ensuring there is 2 to 5 millimeters of clearance between the bracket, wall and the riser. Fit the O-ring, olive and lock nut to the fixing point. Place the fixing plate on the support bar and mark the 3 holes. Ensure the riser is plumb. Drill the 3 holes as marked. Place the cover flange on the wall bracket. Screw the fixing plate to the wall. Tighten the nut and olive, ensuring a firm and solid installation. Slide the chrome cover plate. Replace the spray gun bracket and ensure the holes align. Tighten the grub screw. Place the fibre washer on top of the riser. Screw on the pre-rinse hose while holding the spring, then tighten. Apply adequate amount of thread tape to the trigger spray. Screw the spray gun to the hose and tighten. Now we are ready to turn on the water supply and ensure no leaks evident. Activate to verify operation. Attach manufacturer's recommendation sticker to the wall. Installation is now complete. If you are still experiencing problem, ensure to check out the troubleshooting provided in the user manual. If you are unsure and need assistance, then contact JETF on +612 93194422 or email at info@jetfaustralia.com.au.